Hello again, and welcome to a future-ready version of Business Analysis. Today's lesson is all about one of the most important roles you'll ever play: bridging the gap between business and technology. But here's the exciting twist. You're not doing it alone anymore. Thanks to generative AI tools like ChatGPT, you now have a powerful co-pilot, one that helps you stay clear, consistent, and 10x faster at stakeholder communication and management. Let's explore how. Who are stakeholders, and why should AI be involved? As a refresher, stakeholders are anyone impacted by the project: business users, tech teams, leaders, regulators, or even customers. Each has their own goals, jargon, and expectations. Your job as a BA? Align them all. And now, AI helps you do that more effectively, every step of the way. So what do you actually do with generative AI? Let's break it down. Translate business needs to technical specs. You're in a meeting. A stakeholder says, "We need better visibility into daily operations." Now, you could spend hours wordsmithing requirements after the call, or you could ask ChatGPT. Convert the statement into clear user stories with acceptance criteria for a dashboard feature. Boom! Instantly, you get a structured draft you can refine and share. Want a summary of the meeting too? Feed your notes into ChatGPT and say, "Summarize this discussion with key decisions and next steps for the dev team." 2. Clarify and resolve conflicts faster. Let's say finance wants strict data controls, while marketing wants flexibility. You can use Gen AI to simulate how each requirement impacts others. Generate neutral documentation for a compromise. Draft a side-by-side table of pros, cons, and technical implications. Now everyone feels heard and decisions become easier. AI-powered tools for BA communication. Here's how your toolkit gets smarter with AI. The text stakeholder maps. Don't build these from scratch. Just tell ChatGPT, "Generate a stakeholder map template for an e-commerce platform project." It'll give you a starting framework: roles, influence levels, communication frequency, meeting notes, and summaries. Upload your transcript or bullet points and prompt. Summarize the stakeholder meeting with action items and issues raised. ChatGPT handles formatting, tone, and even highlights risks you might have missed. Status reports and dashboards. Need a weekly progress update? Paste your raw project data and ask. Write a 3-paragraph update for stakeholders, highlighting progress, blockers, and upcoming milestones. It even tailors tone based on the audience: formal for execs, casual for peers. Regular check-ins and email automation. Instead of drafting every update email by hand, you can prompt ChatGPT. Draft a friendly update for product managers about the UAT results, highlighting 3 past tests and 1 failed scenario. And voila! You just saved 20 minutes! Oh, pro tip: Customize language based on audience. AI can help. You already know to speak business to business folks and tech to techies. Now, let AI do it for you. Just ask. Rewrite this requirement description for a non-technical executive audience. Or, make this more technically detailed for back-end engineers. This ensures clarity, reduces back and forth, and builds trust. Fire. Common pitfalls where AI saves you. Let's revisit some common communication mistakes. Assuming alignment. Use ChatGPT to double-check. Does this email clearly summarize the client's priorities and scope boundaries? XX taking sides. Generate a neutral explanation of the trade-offs between solution A and B for a cross-functional team. Vague requirements. Debt prompt. Refine this vague request into smart requirements. Why this matters more than ever. Remember, most project failures happen not from bad tech, but from poor communication. And today, with generative AI, you don't have to struggle through ambiguity or lose time on low-value writing tasks. You can clarify faster. Document smarter. Align people better. And focus on the strategic thinking that makes you irreplaceable. Recap what you gained today. Stakeholders are diverse. AI helps you communicate with each clearly. Use ChatGPT to speed up emails, notes, documentation, and conflict summaries. Translate languages across departments in seconds. Focus on human connection. Let AI handle the mechanics. This is what modern business analysis looks like. You're not just the bridge anymore. You're the smart AI-augmented translator who brings clarity to chaos. In our next lesson, we'll dive into how you can model business processes and how AI can generate flow diagrams, SOPs, and gap analysis reports in minutes. Until then, keep building bridges with a little AI by your side. See you soon!